guiding light. Keep me company in the night. That's all I need. All I want is for you to stay a little longer now. With arms around me like a border, like the air I breathe. I'll let you in, keep me warm underneath my skin. 'Cause I'm giving in to your touch. I can never get enough. Diving deep into the ocean.
Itu 1, 2, 3 jam aja dengan satu kelas aja. Ngerti kan? Jadi kelas buat kalian nih ya. Info dulu. Kelas ini baru udah start sama dulu. Ya ini. Remake.
You can be my safety zone.
Kok Kau udah beli ya? Dor.
That's all I need. All I want is to stay a little longer now. Arms around me like a border, like an endless stream. You take me in to a place that I've never been. Now I'm giving in to your touch. I will never get enough. Diving deep into the ocean.
We are in GIA, we are a family, so I hope we can still keep in touch and then we connect to each other and something like that. I thought so. And thank you so much.
In Gia, I get what that I not get in any place. In this class, I get new friends, I get new family, and then today I get something that I never get in other place too. And I hope this class, especially for my class, can maybe someday we can make a reunion, and for big class of Baitul Mal we can get reunion too. Thank you.
Gia is the best place to study English. There is you can find a family, a new friend, and much knowledge about English.
Okay, Gia is the best, okay? We can stay in this family right now, okay?
Keluar Britishnya.
We have a new family, a new friends, and then we can make some group that's so beautiful, I think.